How to use Autoscout for properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Autoscout24 is one of the most popular platforms for buying and selling cars in France, but beginners often make costly mistakes. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not setting proper filters. Most people get this wrong by browsing too broadly. Use filters for price, mileage, fuel type, location, and model year to narrow down your search and save time. Second mistake, ignoring vehicle history. You won't believe how many buyers skip checking accident reports or ownership records. Autoscout24 often provides detailed reports. Review them carefully to avoid hidden problems. Third mistake, neglecting seller verification. The surprising truth is some listings may be outdated or fraudulent. Always contact the seller, request documentation, and, if possible, inspect the vehicle in person. Fourth mistake, skipping comparison. Beginners often fall in love with the first car they see. Compare multiple listings to understand fair market pricing and get the best deal. Finally, not understanding fees and taxes is common. Registration costs, inspection fees, or dealer charges can add up. Factor these into your budget before committing to a purchase. By using filters, reviewing vehicle history, verifying sellers, comparing listings, and accounting for fees, you can use Autoscout24 efficiently. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll find the right car with confidence and ease.